If you invest just $500 a month, you could retire a millionaire. No lottery, no crypto hype, no business empire, just $500, consistency and time. The crazy part? Most people can do this, but almost no one does. Let me show you exactly how this works and why the system quietly rewards patience. We've been told that becoming rich requires a six-figure salary, a genius idea, or some secret opportunity. But real wealth isn't dramatic. It's boring, predictable, slow at first, and that's exactly why most people ignore it. The truth? Millionaires are often just ordinary people who started early and didn't quit. Let's break it down clearly. $500 per month equals $6,000 per year. Now imagine you invest this into a simple S&P 500 index fund, averaging about 8% annually over the long term. Here's what happens. After 5 years, you invest $30,000. You'll have around $36,000, not life-changing yet. After 10 years, you invest $60,000. You'll have around $90,000. Now it's growing faster. After 20 years, you invest $120,000. You'll have about $300,000. Notice something? You only invested $120,000, but your money more than doubled. After 30 years, you invest $180,000. You'll have around $745,000, and by year 35, over $1 million, not because you invested $1 million, but because compound growth accelerates over time. Money starts earning money, and then that money earns more money. That's the magic. If you start at age 25, you could invest half the money compared to someone starting at 35, and still end up with more wealth. Why? Because time multiplies results. Starting early beats investing more later. That's why waiting is so expensive. Every year you delay costs you exponential growth. 5. The emotional problem. If this strategy works, why doesn't everyone do it? Because it's boring. Year 1, nothing exciting. Year 2, still slow. Year 3, feels pointless. We live in a world addicted to fast results, but wealth rewards patience. The biggest gains happen in the final 10 years, when most people would have already quit. Let's say you start at 40. You'll need to invest much more per month to hit the same goal. The earlier you start, the less pressure you feel later. This isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about removing stress from your future. 7. The 3-step wealth formula. Step 1. Open a low-cost brokerage account. Step 2. Invest in a broad market index fund. Not individual stocks, not hype trends, just the market. Step 3. Automate monthly investments and never interrupt the system. Consistency beats intelligence. Start with $200 or $100 or even $50. The amount changes the speed, but the habit builds the future. Small investments create big discipline, and discipline creates wealth. 9. The real secret. Wealth isn't about income, it's about behavior. 2 people can earn the same salary. One spends everything. One invests consistently. In 30 years, their lives look completely different, not because of talent, but because of decisions. The truth is simple. You don't need to be extraordinary. You just need to start. $500 a month. Time, patience. The biggest risk isn't investing, it's doing nothing, because time will pass anyway. The only question is, will it grow your money or grow your regrets? If you want simple, realistic money strategies explained clearly, subscribe to Money Mike. Let's build wealth the boring way.